Show me love, so I'm loved. I've read it in the stars above and wrote it in this book because the stars aligned and guided us. Damn, they didn't lie to us. Life ain't fair and death is tough. All I want is love, but now I don't know what is meant for us. But now I feel it's non-existent. They say remain persistent, but I have tried and I've cried, so now I tried to miss it. So I remain convicted, trapped in no ties or visits. Yeah, the guys are dogs, it makes sense when the girls are bitches. Too slow, keep up, the world's cold, freeze up. Getting old, speed up, hold it in, erupt. Let it out, be bluffed, no wins enough. And this is sad because we just need love, love, love.
Who's got your hand on the button?
Show me love, so I'm loved. I've read it in the stars above and wrote it in this book because the stars aligned and guided us. Damn, I ain't like growing up, measured by the times that fuck. Judged by those whose eyes are shut, there's only lust and cannabis. But I had different views, weed I think I wouldn't use. Sex was just a thing to do without the love that makes it true. I was just that lonely dude, all I had was pain to lose. So easily was played a fool when it all just came to you. Now you're nothing but a slut to me. I used to be the nicest guy, you see what you have done to me. Never said those words before, but now I say it comfortably. Think I lost my heart and soul when you are claiming custody. That's what you cut from me, but why'd you cut so deep? I gave you all my love, you kept your shut from me.